Hey guys, this is Alex from This Cob House, and I just wanted to make an announcement here to you all on YouTube that we're having an upcoming cob workshop from April 13th through 17th in northern Florida. Now we've done about 10 workshops at this location so far, and it's been a really amazing experience over the past couple of years here. We've actually constructed a small cob cottage on this property through the workshops, so if you come to our upcoming workshop in April, you'll actually get to go inside and experience this cob cottage. We'll be holding classes inside of it. So this workshop, we're actually going to be continuing to build a cob bench outside the cottage, and we're going to be plastering the walls of the cottage with earthen plaster. Now we're also going to be covering the whole entire regular curriculum, so you're not missing out on anything, despite the fact that we're not building an actual house. We're going to be covering all the same concepts having to do with cob, building a cob structure from start to finish, and I'll also be including information and hands-on demonstrations for rammed earth and adobe creation. So the purpose for me with all of these workshops is to give you a very wide overview of natural building, alternative building, and earthen construction. And I'll be giving you a hard copy of my book, How to Build a Cob House, a step-by-step guide, which will follow throughout the workshop. So if you come, we have camping for free on site. There's also the beautiful Gold Head State Park, just about 5 miles down the road. You're welcome to stay there as well. And so if you want to learn how to build with cob, rammed earth, anything having to do with natural or alternative building materials, even conventional materials, this is a great experience and opportunity for you. And I'd love to work with you at the workshop and talk with you about your ideas. So click the link in the description below.